What's going on, guys? Give everybody a minute or two to get in here. Alrighty. Looks like we're just about at double digits, so let's get into it, guys. 5 blasters. This is actually the end of the Prizm blasters I have. So this should be a good one. Let's get it. All right, box 1. Box 1, pack 1. We got Ozma, Norman. Right off the bat, we got a silver. I like the colors of it. Give us a rookie. Oh, boy. Oh, oh, I thought that was going to be Tua. All right. And then hopefully future Chicago Bear, Deshaun Watson. Could have had him once. It's going to cost a lot more to get him now than it was if we just took him instead of Mitch. But all right, pack 2, you got Juju, Ricky Jackson, Xavier McKinney, and then we got a laser Ozma again. Pack 3. I like what I see on the back there. Stephen Gilmore, Hollywood Brown, Josh Reynolds. Bang, bang. There you go, Colts. Jonathan Taylor. Looks pretty well centered. Might be a little off top to bottom, but very nice card. There you go. Pack 4. Laramie Tunsil. Mike Vick. One of my favorite players of all time. There we go. Let's go. Joey Burrows. And then the last one in this, Cortland Sutton. I'm going to sleeve up this Burrows. Nice first box here. There we go. And this one, same thing, maybe a little bit off. A little more on the left there and on the top. But anytime you can get a Burrow, that's big. All right, 2 packs to go in box 1. DJ Chark. Dunlop. Joe Montana. And Gurley. What do you guys think about Watson? Anyone got the inside scoop on where he's going to end up? Theismann, Traquan Smith, Derek Brown, Darrell Taylor. I think after that Stafford trade, it might get kind of crazy what it's going to cost to get Watson. right, first pack of box 2. Fuller. Zadarius Smith. Jeremy Chin. Harold Landry. What would you give up, though, Jenny? Would you do Tua, the first rounder that's already Houston's, and then another first? That's a lot. But also at the same time, you're getting a top 5 quarterback, so who cares? All right, Mark Brunell. What a weird guy to have. All right, we got a thick card. Oh, my goodness. Guys, that's my 3rd one of these that I've pulled on these breaks. That's our 3rd Herbert relic. Let's go. Let me sleeve this up real quick. I gotta find one of the thicker top loaders. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. That would be terrifying for the rest of the. Oh, you would. I feel you would definitely have to give up Tua and at least one first. I think. Watson and Belichick together would just ruin. It would be like Golden State with Durant. Oh my goodness, guys. What a box. What a box. What is going on? Let's go. There you go. And then right there, nice Cam Akers. Sleeve that one up as well. Guys, I think if we just keep chatting about the Watson trades, we'll just keep pulling fire. I mean, we're only halfway through the 2nd box, and we've already pulled sometimes more quality than you'll pull in an entire break. Palomalu. All right, we got a silver here. If this could be a rookie, too, and be a crazy one. Okay. Chiefs. All right, playoff Damian. Not playing this year, but all right. Chris Carson. 2 to go. Jeffrey, is that you? Do you have the Chargers? Who do you got? Le'Veon, Ridley, Proch, probably saying that wrong. Mark Ingram. All right, last pack. Yeah, that was a crazy trade, too. All right, Jack Doyle. Oh, you got the Pats. Good stuff. Ogden, Debo, Michael Pittman Jr. There we go. It's a hell of a first 2 boxes right there. David, what'd you think of that trade? I sort of feel like, I don't know, Stafford's old. We've had him in the division as a Bears fan. Just hasn't, I mean, he's very good, but he's not one of the guys you go in and you're terrified about him. I don't know. Ngakoue. Odell. All right, we got upside down silver here. Oh, Shaquille Barrett. I thought that was going to be Tom Brady. And then we got Ruggs right behind it. Next pack. Xavier Howard. Bobby Wagner. Jake Luton. I think he played a few games this year. Keelan Cole. I'd love to know how much money Panini spends just by printing out the kid reporter cards for a year. It's ridiculous. All right, Crowder. Mike Evans, give us a rookie here. DJ Dallas, let's go. Now, did he play much this year? I don't know much about DJ. I feel like Seattle was one of the teams. I feel like the only game I saw was like that Thursday night game. It was either Thursday night or Monday night early in the season against Arizona. That went into overtime. But it literally might just be that he has a really cool name, but I like his cards. Marlon Mack. Amos. Gabriel Davis. Patty Mahomes laser. Let's go. It's a nice one. There you go, Chiefs. All right, we got Justin Tucker. What the heck is this? Oh, weird. You guys see that? Print line going across. It's definitely like on the card. But all right, Chandler Jones and Trey Boston. All right, last pack of box 3. Let's get it. Danny Amendola, DK. Josh Ish, there you go. Jeffrey, I think that's you. And then Jared Pinkney. All right, box 4. Jeffrey, what are you saying ouch to? All right, we got Josh Jacobs, Chris Carson. There we go. Tua and Sweat. Let's go ahead and sleeve up this Tua. Looks pretty centered. Oh, yeah, I know. That's crazy. Now, they haven't been that bad in general. The scratch, like, I haven't noticed too many, like, surface damages, I guess. That's probably not how you say that. Surface damage. I don't know. Too much surface damage on a lot of these cards, but that one was crazy. But this one looks in good shape. A little off-center, left to right, but top to bottom looks really good. See the back maybe a little bit, but still great card. To hit the big 3 rookies, quarterbacks too. That has not happened for me in a break yet. And then also to have an extra, like, there we go. Mitch the Glitch. I'm actually a huge Mitch guy, even though we messed up that draft. Godwin, Tucker, Donald. I should correct that. I'm not a huge Mitch guy for the Bears, but I do think he'll go somewhere and have a decent career. Nagy stinks and ruined him. All right. Jesse, what's up? Jesse, who do you got in here? Tyrod Taylor, Preston, Darrington Evans, Darrington, Michael Perrine. All right. Derrick Henry, DJ Moore. Got a silver. Christian Kirk. And then a nice emergent Jacob Eason. Oh, there you go. You got that Tua. And you got a silver of, maybe I think it's a linebacker. A rookie linebacker. Shepard. Jerry Rice. Lutton. And Diggs. Yeah, let's get you that CD. Champ Bailey. Demario Davis. Singletary. KJ Hamler. All right, last box, guys. first pack of our last box. We got a silver. We got Hooper. Paris Campbell. Let's flip it. Get it right side. We got a rookie. Give me that. Let's go. Perfectly centered. Looks like it's in great shape. Silver Justin Jefferson. Good Lord. Darius Leonard. Sleeve this up. Unbelievable break. Who's got Minnesota? Tell me you're in here. I got to imagine this is a $100 card. Right? I mean, that's huge. That's awesome. Let's go. Right? What would you guys think? I don't know if anyone's got their eBay up. I'm guessing comps to that have got to be around 80 to 100. And they'll only go up. Claypool. Good God, this has been an unreal several boxes. And then that, I know these obviously don't go for much, but anything Bengals, Bears, the orange with the orange laser, that looks sweet. Ocho Cinco. Good stuff, Carlos. That's a monster card. Miles Mack, Baker. And what'd I say? Bears, orange laser. Jalen Johnson, this dude was one of the best corners, rookie corners in a while, I think. It really hurt us at the end of the year when he was out. All right. Okay, that came right off, whatever that was at the bottom there. Kyler's second year. Lavicia Shenault. Sweat. 2 packs to go. Yeah, Jeffrey, I agree at least. All right, we got TJ, Darnold, Culpepper. Give us a rookie. Come on. Shaq Griffin. All right, last pack. I would say last pack Magic, but that would feel greedy after this break. I mean, this has been crazy. Sean Lee, Kittle, T. Hig. I mean, good God, if this is a... Oh, my goodness. This is one of the craziest 5 boxes. That's it, guys, but I'm going to go through some of these. So first off, we got, obviously, Monster. I'm not going to say Monster for that one, but one more. Monster. And then let's just thumb through some of these. I mean, this was a great break. I'm fired up. All right, guys. That's a sweet card. I am going to... So that's a great one. I'm going to get going so that I can pack these up, get these out to you guys tomorrow. These will be over at the post office tomorrow at some point. I keep saying, like, in the morning, but this has been taking me a long time to pack these up, so more likely than not, it'll be, like, mid to late afternoon. If you guys have any questions, feel free to message me. And, yeah, thank you guys for checking this out. And then keep an eye out. We've got a few more breaks up right now, and we're going to do a few more breaks before the end of the week. We've got contenders, and then we've got, thank you, Carlos, and then we've got, we're going to do 10 cello packs of Prizm football too. So, yeah, let's go. Thanks, guys. Peace out.